Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the stock market show, BBAI stock. I think I mentioned this in one of my live streams because I've been live streaming more so than making videos. But yeah, $7.20. That's our big support level here. Unfortunately, we did get something. Something did come out here. BigBear.ai, right here. I'm highlighting it for you guys. Yeah, let's let's read into this. Let me just pull out my I had to pull out the whiteboard here for the slow for the slow ones. Yeah. So I'm sure you're reading what it says, right? 500 million authorized shares to 1 billion authorized shares. Companies do not do this unless they plan to dilute. Dilution is not bullish. It drops the stock. So, when is this vote happening? Let's see. Has scheduled a virtual special meeting of shareholders for December 1st. Oh, we still got a long way. Huh. A proposal to amend the company's second amended and restated certificate of validity. Wow, the board of directors has recommended shareholders vote in favor of both proposals. So there you go, guys. That's a future catalyst right there. Because if that goes through, they're doubling their authorized shares, which means they do plan on diluting. Nobody does this unless they don't plan on diluting, raising funds for whatever reason. So I would imagine the stock would drop if that goes through. That's something to keep in mind for the future. I don't think it's going to affect the price right now, short term. So, yeah, they need to issue shares, and a lot of them I would assume. So yeah, yeah, I don't. That's not something we have to worry about short term. But come December, that's something to keep in mind. It doesn't matter what they're doing it for, whether they're doing. It doesn't matter what they're raising funds for. They're going to raise funds for something, whether it's an acquisition or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's still they're still diluting. So I would expect a negative outcome, meaning the share price drops. Which if it does, I am there for it. If it drops on dilution announcement, that's going to be a buy the dip opportunity. Yeah, well, as long as it doesn't decide to reverse split. Like, hope not, but yeah, that's just, I'm going to wait for the purple line at this point. We already bought down here and made our money, so it's just, I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to wait for it. I can wait. I got patience for days. I've been waiting for Simple to pump. We made a lot of money on that one. A lot of these stocks that work with the government, they're just a matter of sitting on the positions and waiting. Whether it's BBI, whether it's Nightscope down here, whether it's, Sybil stock over here. Where's Sybil? I can't. MP Materials works with the government. It doesn't matter. It's so hard to lose on these. I've noticed it's so hard to lose on these. We've made a lot of money on this one as well. Just playing the bullish falling wedges, the patterns, etc. on Sybil stock because it has a Palantir partnership, and these can move like 300% because it's a 00 penny stock. So that's the one we're really focused on. But these companies that work with the government, if you just buy them at the purple line, you make a lot more. You make a lot more and you sleep better at night because you just sit back and watch everyone else push it up. 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 It's literally just rinse and repeat. Watch everyone else push it up. That's all it is. Now let me check the weekly, monthly, quarterly. Let's look at the quarterly. Are we going to form a little, handle here? What's going to happen? We're still trending to the upside on the yearly, so, we're still in a bull run, right? We're still in a bull run? Yeah, we're still in a bull run. There's nothing to be concerned about. We've been in a bull run since 2023 because it's just slowly climbing higher. That's why it's such easy money to make. If the stock is trending on the monthly time frame, that means any pullback to the purple line is nothing more than a dip buying opportunity because then it rallies to new highs, pulls back to the purple line, rallies again, this time unfortunately not to new highs, but it's trying, and I believe it will. NVTS recently broke $10 and went to 15. And I'm telling you right now, I see this at 15. Once it does break 10, it'll come. It's going to happen. It's going to take time. I'm assuming they don't destroy the stock with dilution, reverse splits, or any nonsense. Again, these government contracts, these stocks that work with the government, companies that work with the government, it's too easy. So yeah, if history is going to repeat like it always has, we should see this come down to the purple line, especially with how bearish everyone was being this past week. I was telling people in the Discord, like, by the way, patreon.com/Shades and Trades, join the Discord now, because it's just hand over fist money. It just is. It's too many people, they neglect those small little 1% gains that add up over time. 1% per trade can add up to 100%, but what do people want? They want 100% tomorrow, not over the course of a period of time. But yeah, I can even measure for you right here. Like, you buy at purple line. I mean, wow, 164% there. Purple line down here, 84%. Last time down here, 500%. My prediction is eventually it'll come back down to that purple line, and it'll surge to 15, which would be about what? 140 something percent? Yeah. I don't even blame you if you just want to hold this long term. You don't need to follow me on the purple line strategy. You can just hold this long term, because it does look like that's a double top if I've ever seen one. But at the same time, it also does look like an ascending wedge. So, oops. On the monthly time frame, it's much more clear. Like, we just have, this reminds me of Sybil stock. This stock has a lot of bullish patterns on the quarterly, forming a cup and handle. Yearly, trending. Monthly, to me at least, this needs to be, let me just grab a line tool. This is stupid. What am I doing? Let me grab my line tool. Yeah, so on the quarterly, you got that. Monthly, you got the ascending triangle on the monthly. Weekly, ascending triangle. Daily, double top short term, but long term we're still climbing, right? That's why the purple line is steep like this. Look at the purple line. It's just slowly climbing, right? It's which means the price is surging higher and higher over the long term. That's what that means as well. So it reminds me very much of Sybil. Like it's just Sybil, you look at Sybil, literally the same thing. Well, this one's going sideways, but slowly going higher. Quarterly time frame, ascending triangle on the quarterly. Monthly time frame, likes to pump and dump. And when you buy down here nice and cheap, it always pumps huge in October. It's just, I don't know, man. These bullish falling wedge on the daily near support, and it's had a ton of these. Like, I don't know what is it with these these stocks that work with the government, but they're all showing very, very similar bullish patterns. And it's just a matter of buying them and sitting on them, which is what I'm doing with Sybil, BBAI. I'm waiting for that purple line, because we know it's been money since back here. Since October 9th of 2024. It's been money. We made money here, here, here. So we'll do it again. That's just me, though. Again, I'm just a swing trader who looks to position themselves at the average price, not looking to pay a premium. Because when you buy right now, you're paying a premium. Let me see how much premium you're paying. You're paying a premium of 32%. That's, again, that's like buying your groceries and being like, yes, I want to pay 32% more. To me, that doesn't make sense. But if you're looking to buy the dip, here's the buy dip opportunity. It's got to be here at 7s, and it has to hold this time. This time it did hold here. We'll see if it holds here and then makes that second, or should I say what? That another leg, which the next leg would send it to $10, in my opinion. I think if it hadn't been for, a certain orange person talking, we should have already pumped to 10. We should have already made that move. A certain orange person. So yeah, look at that. So if this is going to follow this ascending triangle pattern, that's what we would see. We'll see, though. We'll see. I mean, some people might measure it as a channel too, but even the channel here would send it back to 10, back to 9, then 10, and then 10 plus. With hype alone, it could easily go to 15. It has the share structure for it too. So yeah, I give it a buy here at 7 because that is strong support. But I'm me, me if you've been following me for years now. I'm buying at the purple line. But Shades, what if it runs? What if it never comes down to the purple line? Oh no! It's almost like there's another stock, and it's almost like BBAI is not the only stock in the stock market. Whoa! Oh my God! It's almost like it's not the only company that works with the government. Whoa! It's almost like it's not the only stock that pumps 300%, 300%. And I'm predicting another 300%. But who cares if it runs 100%? I already made my money. Too many people, they're so focused on just one, they forget. Like, by the way, buddy, there's like 2,000 other stocks, and a lot of those work with the government. And those, a lot of those are also under the purple line, like KSCP and Sybil. So that's my answer to the people who always ask me, like I'm supposed to be afraid or something, like if BBAI runs away, like, oh no, it's running away, oh God, it's, whatever will I do? Oh, wow, look, other stocks that are under the purple line that like to pump huge. Maybe I should focus on those. So if it runs away from me, cool, congrats. I'm holding Sybil, I'm good. That's it for the video. I don't know why people always have to say something like that. Like, what if it runs away from you? What do I care? Like, oh my God, it's MP Materials. It's almost like it comes to the purple line and then it rallies huge. Oh my God, it's almost like it works with the government. Oh my God, it's almost like it's pretty much the same setup as BBAI. Oh my God, it's almost like if there's like other stocks. Like, come on, man. Too many of you behave like humans instead of just being a bot. Because you're supposed to be a bot in the stock market. No emotion. You just load up where it makes sense and you hold for the 50 to 100%, rinse and repeat. All right, guys. That's it. Shades out. Let me show you the good side. I'll see you in the next one.